I found the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low in the olive medium colorway for under retail. Now I went to the store called Going Gone, and they sell all kinds of different sneakers for under retail. Sometimes they're 50% or higher on the discount that they give on all of these retail sneakers. They come from Nike, Jordan, and even Adidas. Now I'm gonna go through all the different sneakers that I saw at Going Gone, but I will also show you guys the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott medium olive at the end. Now the first pair of sneakers that I saw was the Jordan Jason Tatum 2s, and these were at a retail price of $80. So this is a pretty cool sneaker. Not a fan of the Celtics because I'm a Lakers fan, but to see these sneakers at $80 is absolutely insane for even under $100. The next one that I found was the Team Curry 10. Now these are coming in at a retail price of $60, and it's actually insane to see them at these prices. Next up we have the Nike Sabrina 1s, and these are coming in at a retail price of $75. The next pair that I found was the Jordan Luka 2s. Now these come in at $78, just shy of 80 bucks. So it's crazy to see these at $80. Again, retail prices on these player sneakers collaborations are usually about $180, so you're getting them for a deep discount of $78. To continue with the Jordan brand, we have the Jordan Zion 3s, and these are coming in at $65. These are in a size 14, so it's a little bit of an out there size, but to get these for $65 is still an insane steal. Even though Kyrie is no longer with Nike, we are seeing some discounts on some Kyries with Nike, and that's gonna be the Nike Kyrie Low 5 at $75. Another steal. Another one that I found that was pretty nice, and it was a little bit of a discount, is the KD 16, and it's coming in this kind of like university red / pinkish colorway, and this one's actually going to be coming in at $120. I think that KDs are $150 to $180 depending on which one you get. Now, 120 bucks is still a nice discount from what you're used to. Now, of course, I'm a huge LeBron fan, so we have the Nike LeBron Next Gen, and these are coming in at a price of $80. Next up, we have a pair of Adidas Don 5s. Now, these are the ones that I actually ended up copying, and these are obviously Donovan Mitchell's signature sneakers, and they are in the lime green colorway. Now, a lot of people will look at this and automatically think that these remind them of those Kobe Grinches, and that's mainly the reason why I ended up copying these, and partially I did like the silhouette. Now these Don Issue 5s I ended up copying for $40 when the retail price is $120, so it is a steal. They've obviously moved on to the Don Issue 6, so this is a model behind the 6, and it still is a great deal if you ask me. So $40 for a pair of $120 sneakers at retail, so obviously put it in my collection. Now last but not least, we have the Travis Scott medium olives. Now these recently came out and I found them under retail. Well, kind of. I went to Shoe Palace right after I did the Going Gone store, and I found these Jordan 1 lows in the mocha colorway. Now it is not obviously the Travis Scotts, but this is the closest that you're going to get to getting those Travis Scott lows. So right here, when I found this, I was very surprised to see that they were actually on shelves, and it came in at a retail price of $139. So if you are a Jordan fan, if you're a Travis Scott fan, and you weren't able to cop any of those medium olive Travis Scotts, this is probably your best opportunity to get them. And like I said, I found them at Shoe Palace for $140. So it is definitely a steal. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. I do want to do more videos talking about these kind of steals and deals that I get. So if anybody is interested in seeing more videos like this, just let me know in the comments below and I will continue this series. Anyways guys, Jolotsu TV out, and sorry for clickbaiting, but I gotta pay for the lights. Anyways, peace.